Okay, our last recording got cut off, so I'm just going to have you pick up where we left off on the leaving a review.
Okay. I was just typing here that the website looked professional, was easy to navigate. Whoops, I need to click up here in the box first. And that the colors, I don't know how I want to say it, blend and makes it easy to locate the different items. I don't know exactly how to word it, but the options stand out and don't blend. Oops. Or that doesn't sound right, but they, and I can't spell stand either. Stand out, so they are easy to locate. Anyway, it's a very nice website. I don't know if there's anything else that I need to add on here or whatever, but it's
just whatever you think you want to leave in the review.
Okay.
Whatever you feel like you need to say.
I don't know. He's just an easy to navigate thing, so I've already got that part in there and stuff.
Okay.
So it's professional looking, so we'll go with that. And do I just submit it then?
Yep, you can go ahead and submit.
Okay. There you go.
Okay. And I think we are finished with all of the tasks. Thank you for helping out with this.
No problem.
Do you have any questions for me now that we're completely done?
I don't believe so. I think it's good. It's a nice little website there.
Okay. Thank you for helping out with me today.
Mm-hmm.